Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. September 22nd, 2019. I'm not fixing anything big today, but I'm going to test out a new recipe for me. I'm coming up with some chili fries. Now, I've got my spices here that I would make, that I would put in chili, I should say. And I cut up 2 potatoes, and before I did that, I washed them. I didn't peel them, and I sliced them up, and they're ready to go. Now, I got some vegetable oil. You want to use that instead of olive oil this time. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of chili powder. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Put that there. Onion powder. And I might need to put a little bit more chili powder on here. Salt. Garlic powder. And some ground cumin. Won't need a whole lot. Now just make sure all the oil, and put just a hair more oil. Use clean hands. There you go. Let me put just a little bit more chili powder on here. All right. Stir around a little bit. There you go. Now, I've got my oven preheated to 450. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in an oven, bake it. Every 10 minutes or so, I'm going to stir it. You want to allow about 40 minutes or so until your potatoes are good to go to brown. So I want you to stay tuned. I'm anxious to see how they turn out. All right, everybody, these are done. Now, since I didn't have that many, it just took about 30 minutes for these to cook. And they're good and tender. And I'm going to sample one for you. So I want you to stay tuned. All right, these look pretty good. So I'm going to taste one for you. Like what they turned out. Chili fries. What about that? Now, if you were making a big batch, allow just a few minutes more time. Not bad at all. All right, guys and gals, stay tuned for more videos. Comments are welcome. Have a blessed Sunday.